To find an equivalent expression for the product of two monomials, multiply the coefficients and then multiply the variables using the product rule for exponents. In this first example, we will use associative property, since this is all multiplication, to multiply the constants together and the variables together. Simplifying, 5 times 10 is 50, and y times y in exponential notation is y to the second power. In this next example, very similar, we'll multiply the coefficients together using the associative property. Since this is all multiplication, we have 3 times negative 4 times x and x. Simplifying, a positive times a negative is negative 12. X times x is x squared. In this next example, same procedure. We will multiply the coefficients together, negative 2 times 7, and the variables together. Recognizing that the associative property allows us to do that, simplifying, negative 2 times 7 is a negative 14, and using the product rule for exponents, we have the common base of x with the exponent of 4 plus 5, since we have those common bases multiplied together, and simplifying further, the product of these two monomials is negative 14 times x to the power of 9.